Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Home Assistant add-ons in Docker, detailed guide step by step clearly. To install Home Assistant add-ons in Docker, first, ensure you have Docker installed on your system. Open your terminal or command prompt to begin the installation process. Pull the Home Assistant Docker image by running the command docker pull Home Assistant/Home Assistant. Next, create a Docker network for Home Assistant to communicate with its add-ons. Use the command docker network create Home Assistant. Now, create a persistent directory on your system for Home Assistant configuration. You can do this by running dir/path/to/your/config. Adjust the path to the folder where you want your configuration files to be stored. Then, start the Home Assistant container using the following command: docker run dname Home Assistant restart unless stop network Home Assistant v. Replace your _ time zone with your local time zone, for example, America/new_York. Once the Home Assistant container is running, access the web interface by navigating to http:// your IP address 8123 in your web browser. Create an account and set up your Home Assistant environment. After the initial setup, proceed to install add-ons by navigating to the add-on store in the sidebar. Browse the available add-ons and select the one you want to install. On the add-on page, click on the Install button. After the installation is complete, you may need to configure the add-on. Follow the on-screen instructions to set any necessary configuration options. Once configured, click Start to run the add-on. You can also enable the Start on Boot option if you want it to run automatically. To manage your add-ons, return to the add-on store and monitor their status from there. With these steps, you can successfully install and manage Home Assistant add-ons in Docker. Now you can enhance your Home Assistant experience with various functionalities and integrations. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.